Hi guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro's second video. In this video, we'll teach you about variables and inputs. But if you're new to Python and you don't know what's a print statement, I would highly recommend you to go and check out our latest video, which was the print statement. But now, let's move on to variables and inputs. Before moving ahead, please consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, so first let's do variables. So you can think of variables as an container. Inside that container there are some values. If you want to take that value out, you will have to just take the name of the variable and it will come out. Like your mom shouting out your name and you come out very fast. Something like that. First, click on File, New File, maximize it. Then you can type anything over here, but make sure that it's memorizable. You'll have to memorize it, okay? You should not forget it. For example, I'll just name it as var, which is just a short form of variable. Variable equals to two quotes. Inside those two quotes you can type anything like a number, a symbol, and the most important, our favorite, text. Okay, but in this example I'll just type hi. Okay, now if we run this module, source must be okay to save, and now I'll save it as second program. Okay, now I'll save it. But it's not showing anything. Why? Because we need to print that line out. We didn't print it, did we? Okay, now let's print that line. So, print the name of the variable as I said. So, that's var in this case. Okay, now if I run it, you can see it gives us hi. Is there some ghost doing this? No, this is our Python program. Okay, now let's move on to inputs. If you didn't understand this, please tell us in the comment sections below. We'll try and help you. Okay, now on to the inputs. You can think of inputs as you are taking your user's input. Like, we will ask you your name. Something like that. Let me explain it to you. So, first I'll name a variable. In this case, my name. My name equals to input, two brackets, inside those two brackets, two quotes. And inside those two quotes, what is your name? Space. Now if we run it, you can see it gives us what's your name, and the program isn't still finished. So we can type our name. Okay, but now I want my program to greet me. It's not greeting me. Well, if you want to do that, stay tuned. We'll teach that in our next video. Okay, that's it for this video. And if you don't subscribe, I'll eat you.